Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following error notification while I try to troubleshoot the Windows Update settings, and it shows some security settings are missing or have been changed, and this problem is not fixed. And in followed by this troubleshooter identify the one more error message, check for Windows Update is useless, and this one is not fixed. So how to fix this issue? So first of all, close all the windows, and if you are using the any third party antivirus software, first of all remove it from your Windows platform. And one time restart your Windows PC. So after the restarting is completed, and then open the Windows security settings and click to open your Windows security and click to turn on this production service. And close all the windows. So next I try to open the Windows Run and execute this command services.msc, and here it shows me all Windows services, but you can locate the service name called Windows Update and double click on it. So now I try to change the startup type to automatic and click to save these changes and close all the windows. So after I done these processes, and one more time I try to access that Windows troubleshooter. So by simply open your settings menu and go to update and security. So here you can select troubleshoot and click on this additional troubleshooters. So now I try to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So I hope now this time it doesn't show that previously occurred error message. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.